You've asked yourself the question, do I really need to add a contact to my inbox? And the answer is a resounding yes. That is, if you want to get specific emails into your inbox, like your mom, your family member, or even if you sign up for a cool free ebook or a newsletter. Because if you don't have them added to the contact list, the email that you want might go to the promotions tab, the socials tab, or even the spam box. So if you want to get your emails, I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to slice up the tech talk, and I'm going to give you a simple, juicy tidbit you can implement today to add an email contact to your Gmail account on desktop. So let's say you've whipped up a fresh Gmail account, or maybe you're even a seasoned emailer and you're looking to spice up your contact list. Either way, you're staring at your Gmail account and have no idea where to add a contact. But don't worry, we're going to start simple. Gmail, our beloved email genie, has a neat little trick up its sleeve, and I call it a person icon. So if you want to find it, it's on the right-hand side of your browser. When you have your email account open, there's a little blue person figure right above my video picture of my head. This is a lifesaver. So here we go. You're going to click the blue person, and then you're going to click Create Contact. And then you can add the name, you can add their first name, their business name, you can add just their first name, their company. We're going to put Dina Coladas. Oh, but I'm a nerd. I like to spell things right. What is my job title? Weirdo. And we're going to pretend I'm going to put my email in there. So you can even put their phone number, their birthday, any notes that you have about them. And then you're going to click Save. This little blue button, oops, down and, oh, I didn't put the email. Even if you don't put all of their contact in, it's still going to save it for you. I only have my first name. I don't have the last name. I don't have a phone number. I don't even have my birthday. And if you want to edit their contact, oops, I typed it wrong, or I forgot to add something, or I need to add something later, you click this little pencil icon at the top. So we're going to go in here and put my birthday. This is not my birthday, by the way, but feel free to send me presents. Give me some YouTube love. I was born in 1993, and then we're going to click Save. And oops, I'm going to move myself there, and you can see my birthday is January 1st, 1993. And it's easy to add the emails. But here's the juicy part. Well, what if you don't want to add someone at all? You don't have to. Maybe that one aunt sends you too many cat videos, or company thinks that you absolutely must know about their sale every 3 hours. Well, in spirit of keeping your digital pantry clutter-free, you can just leave them out. No ad, no fuss. That's what most of us do anyway. And for a little email dessert, a little known Gmail garnish, if you don't want to hear from somebody, you can easily unsubscribe from the list. And usually I'm going to click on this Quora email here, scroll down to the bottom, and there should be an unsubscribe. See, it says it right there. And people that send emails are required to put an unsubscribe button, especially if it is a company or a marketing message. So if you don't like that, you can unsubscribe. So if you think that Quora, which they're not a scammer, they're a great company, I love their website, you can click these 3 dots, you can filter messages, you can also block a sender, or you can report them as spam or phishing. So if you're getting unwanted emails that you never signed up for, you can report them as spam. But make sure they are a spammer. You may have forgotten about somebody that you signed up for an email list or a newsletter or something like that. So don't report spam unless it actually is spam, because it really hurts somebody's reputation. So there you have it, folks. Whether you add or block a contact, unsubscribe, remember it's your inbox and it's your rules. You've got the tools to make it as neat or as jazzy as you like. For more scrumptious tech tips and tricks, be sure to hit that like button, sprinkle some love into the comments, and subscribe to keep up with all of my delectable digital info. Until next time, keep your tech tasty and your emails zesty. Cheers to staying connected without the inbox mess. See you next time.